Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. First, open your browser, it doesn't matter which one. In this video we'll use Google Chrome as an example. Next, search for Create Gmail Account. Scroll down until you find Create a Google Account, then click on it. This will take you to the sign-in page. Click on Create Account. You'll see two options: create an account for personal use, create an account for work or my business. We will choose the option for personal use. Now, fill in your first and last name, the last name is optional. Then enter your basic information such as date of birth and gender. I recommend using your real information because if you ever forget your password, Google will use this data to help you recover your account. Next, you'll need to choose your Gmail address. Google will suggest two available email addresses. You can select one of them, or choose the third option to create your own custom email address. If your chosen address is available, you can proceed with it. After that, it's time to create a password. I suggest using a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. You will need to re-enter the password to confirm it. You'll need to verify that you're not a robot by entering your mobile number to receive a verification code, OTP. Once you receive the OTP from Google, enter it in the provided field. In the next step, you'll have the option to add a recovery email. You can skip this step, but if you have another email address, it's a good idea to enter it. Google may use it to contact you if there is unusual activity on your account or if you get locked out. After that, you'll reach a page to review your account information. Check that your email address and phone number are correct, then click Next. Finally, you'll see the Privacy and Terms page. Review it and click Agree. Congratulations! You now have your new Gmail and Google account. Google Drive, Gmail, Google Meet, Google Translate, and more. You can manage your Google account from your account dashboard. Since there are many features, we'll create separate videos to explain each one in detail.